everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ911. Welcome to my first quarantine quick tip. And I want to talk about the importance of having a plan in place before you start organizing anything. There's a reason people say a failure to plan is a plan to fail. With organizing, you need a plan first before you start getting bins or start sorting anything out. You need to have a goal, an idea in mind of what you want to do so that you know the steps you need to take to do it. So what I always do with any organizing project is I start out with like a room assessment sheet. Make a plan. Take a sheet of paper, write down the room you're going to organize first, write what kind of goal or vision you have for that room, and then the functions that need to be fulfilled in that room. Because a lot of the time, we don't take into account all the functions these rooms need to fulfill for us. Then you make a list of items you need to take out of that room to make sure you achieve the goal you've listed before, and then items that might need to be added to achieve that goal in that room. Getting those down onto paper first gives you a guideline on how to achieve that organization. This starts the organizing process, and you literally do it for any room you are planning on organizing. So always remember, organization comes from 90% planning, 10% execution. Write down those goals, those functions, and what needs to be taken out and what needs to be added to that room so that you achieve the goal you're looking for. And to help you get started with your plan, I've created this template. It's a free printable I'm offering you. Just go click on the link below in the description box and it'll take you where you can download this and print it yourself. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and don't forget, check back tomorrow for the next quarantine quick tip. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please click that subscribe button below and become part of this organizing family. I'm Pam with the Organizer AZ911. Thanks for watching.